Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate that. And if you've not been to my channel before, you may want to subscribe because I put out some good stuff. No, I'm just kidding. No, if you subscribe, that way you'll always be notified when I put out new material. And I try to put out something new at least 2 to 3 times a week that's helpful to you in marketing. And today's content is talking about content is king. Yes, I mean, the more content you can put out there in different places like YouTube or a blog or Facebook, whatever, the more content you put out there, the more eyeballs you're going to get on what you're trying to promote. Because you start creating followers, and they begin to see you as an authority figure. They begin to think they know you, and that's important. People like to connect with people they know, like, and trust. So putting out content on a consistent, regular basis, whether it's a Facebook post, a tweet, Quora, wherever, attracting people to your article. Now, I'm not going into specifics how you set the content up so that you put it to its best value, but I'm going to show you how to repurpose your content, because content is king. Trust me. All right. But it takes time. It takes time to put out content. It takes time to write these blogs. It takes time to put out posts and go to forums and all type of things like that. So I'm going to show you how to take one piece of content and repurpose it in many, many ways. Save you lots and lots and lots of time. So let's go here. This is my blog, one of my blogs, foxtasticIdeas.com. I have several, but this is one of them, foxtasticIdeas.com. And we'll go to the article that I did yesterday. Okay. Okay, so this is an article I did yesterday, the simplicity and benefits of the LiveGood compensation plan. So I took the time to put together this information and put it on my blog. So now I've got audience from people who come to my blog. And, and then of course within the article I have a call to action. Visit our website. You always want to have a call to action, all right? Then same thing, click to learn more. These two links go to the same place in this particular case. So now I've taken the time to figure out what I'm going to say. I say it, and now my blog is done. And then maybe a day later, you can do it the same day, but I recommend a day later, you can make a YouTube video from the exact thing that you have there. So for example, it's already done on my blog. Now I come in and I say, welcome to my channel. And then I say, today's topic is the simplicity and benefits of the LiveGood compensation plan. All right. And then I start reading what's there. Okay. It's just that simple. I don't have to recreate it. I just read it. Now, when you read it, you don't want to be going, the LiveGood compensation plan has been intentionally designed to be uncomplicated and easy to comprehend. There are no intricate tiers or levels to navigate, allowing you to begin earning money. You don't want to just look like you're just reading it. You want to put emphasis. You want to look like you're projecting it. So instead, you'll be going something like, the LiveGood compensation plan has been intentionally designed to be uncomplicated and easy to comprehend. There are no intricate tiers or levels to navigate, allowing you to begin earning money promptly, etc., 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 etc. So now you've made your video. Your YouTube video is done. All right. So that's the second way you've used the same content. All right. Now let's go to YouTube and let's pretend this is the video I did just now, the one I just made right now. I'm showing how to repurpose it. So let's go to that video page. Okay, so this is the video that we're pretending we just made, okay? We're talking about repurposing. Talking about my channel today. Okay, so you made your video, so now you can share it, okay? So you could share it to Facebook. And of course you want to write something in there, something simple. Check out my latest blog. Okay, and then you can send it to your feed. You can send it to your story at the same time. So now I've done blog with YouTube, Facebook feed, and story. So that's 4 ways I've used the same content. And I could also send it to a group that I do. Okay, so that's 6 ways. All right, so you got 6 ways so far that you've seen. Now let me get rid of that. Yeah, no, leave. Okay, and then you can send it to Twitter. Okay, click on tweet. I've already done it, so that's what with this particular video. So that's why I'm not doing it. But send it to Twitter. It's all set up for you. So now that's about 7 ways so far you use the same content. Now, I'm also a member of LeadsLeap. I have a LeadsLeap account, but I have my autoresponder on that. And LeadsLeap has a feature called Blog to Broadcast. Where is it at here? Blog to Broadcast. Okay. And when you use the blog to when you use the blog to broadcast feature, then when you submit your YouTube video, it will automatically set up a broadcast to email to the people on your email list. Isn't that convenient? If you're not at LeadsLeap, you really should join. It's free to join, lifetime membership with that. And then there's a pro level as well. But anyway, so now it's been sent to my email list. All right, so that's like 8 ways, 9 ways, or whatever. We've used the same piece of content. All right, now you also can take snippets. Just a little part here, one little part. Here are some advanced LiveGood products. Just a little snippet, okay? And you can post that on Facebook as well. Now, you can also take the same material and post it to, say, another blog. I have several blogs. I can post on another blog. I can post it on forums. I can post it, on what am I trying to say? Quora, different places. Okay, but you don't want it always to say the same thing. You want to change it up. So again, change it up would take some time. But you can take the same material that you've already wrote out and copy it and go to an AI tool like ChatGPT. What's the name? Google has a AI tool called Bard. I think ChatGPT is better. But anyway, you go here and you type in something like rewrite. So what I've done is I'm telling it now to rewrite what I just had done. Okay. Look how fast it did that. Okay. It's coming through that quick. So it's taking what I had already written and rewriting it so that I can post it somewhere else so it doesn't look like the same content. All right. So then I can copy that and post it to my to a forum or a different blog, or cut pieces off and post it everywhere. All right. So what you've seen is and there's other things you can do with it too. It's just not what I just showed you. I mean, there's all kind of ways you can take pieces out and put it here, take pieces out there, because the more places you can use that same content on, in different venues, you're getting different sets of eyes in those different venues, but because different people are being attracted from different programs, from different facilities, from different ways. So you're getting eyes all over the place on one content. So yes, content is king. It doesn't have to be lock you down all day putting all this content out, because I just showed you basically, I don't know, 9, 10, 11 ways to use the same content. And always make sure you have a call to action on your content. On your YouTube video, put your call to action in the description. In the blog post, make sure the call to action is in the blog post. Twitter, I share it to Twitter, and then Twitter, if they watch the video on Twitter, it's going to be in the description of the YouTube. So always have a call to action on each one of these pieces of content. But anyway, so now you see how easy it is to do one content and repurpose it in a lot of different ways. So hopefully that helped you some, to save you some time, and also help you to facilitate your online business. So I thank you for listening today. Again, I would appreciate if you got something out of my video to go ahead and click the like button below, okay? And comment. I'd love to hear comments. You can even if you think you have a subject matter you want me to cover, comment. Put it in the comment below. I'll look and see if I can cover it. I've been around for online marketing for a long time, and so pretty much I know pretty much about most of the content that you'd want to know about. So, but put it in the comment if you want to. Share the video. I'd appreciate that. And again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. So thanks again, my friends, and I hope that you really have a foxtastic day.